Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop your video using Filmora 14. Okay, so I will show you two ways to crop your video and crop multiple video on the timeline using Filmora 14. Okay, believe me, it is super easy to crop video in Filmora 14. And actually, it is the same in Filmora 13, 12, 11, and 10. Okay, so if you want to try Filmora, just go ahead to the link in the description. And if you want to purchase the license of Filmora, don't forget to use my special discount coupon code to save your money. By the way, we need to talk about our sponsor of this video first. Active Presenter is an all-in-one software for creating online training video. It has a screen recorder, a video editor, and all the tools you need for multiple e-learning purposes. With Active Presenter, you can create slide-based courses, interactive simulation, assessment, and gamification. You can also create video-based courses using its screen recorder and video editor. If you want to learn more about Active Presenter, go ahead to the link in the description. You can go to overview and see the demo and all the feature and also tutorial from the company. Once again, thank you Active Presenter for sponsoring my video. Okay, let's go back to my tutorial. And this is my Filmora 14 example project. So for example, I want to crop to my face at this position. So the first solution is to just select the video here on the timeline. Then you want to select this button. This is the crop button of Filmora 14. Just click on the crop button. And now you have the new window. So this is the crop function. By the way, you can do pan and zoom here also if you want. So if you want to do pan and zoom, you want to change it to this tab, pan and zoom. Just go back to the crop tab. And the second thing you need to do is to select the aspect ratio right here. And remember to select the aspect ratio similar to your project setting, okay? So my project setting is 16:9. So I will select 16:9 from here. And then we can adjust the box right here, okay? So I want to crop to my face like this. And I can click this button to preview it. Okay, tự nhiên cầm cái mic này hay. Okay, and I can click apply to go back to my timeline. So this is the first solution to apply crop effect in Filmora 14. Something like this. So first thing, we have a video like this, and then at this video we can crop it. Okay. Okay, tự nhiên cầm cái mic này. Very nice, right? And now if I want to crop back to full screen, I need to split the video at this position. Select the video again and then select crop again. And we can just adjust this box to make it full screen. Okay, and click apply. And this is the crop effect. Okay, tự nhiên cầm cái mic này hay. Hello, xin chào. So this is how to crop a video in Filmora 14. By the way, if you want to crop multiple video, you can use crop effect in Filmora 14. Okay, so you need to go to the effect tab right here. And then you want to search for crop and press enter. Okay, and this is the crop effect. You can drag and drop it onto the timeline and put it on top of your video. Okay, and the next thing, you need to adjust the crop effect. Okay, so just double click at the crop effect. Okay, and this is a crop effect. Actually, you can enable and disable it. In order to crop the video, I can just use a slider here. For example, I want to crop on the left side and on the right side and on top and at the bottom. Okay, so I can extend the crop effect to the duration of the timeline to crop everything on the timeline like this. Okay, so here is the crop effect for all the video on the timeline. Okay, tự nhiên cầm cái mic này hay. Hello, that's nice, right? And if I want to apply auto zoom for this effect, I can enable this option. It will zoom in to full screen like this. But you can see the distortion of the image here. Okay, so normally if we use the crop effect, we will disable the auto zoom. Okay, let's click OK. Okay, so this is how simple you can crop your video in Filmora 14. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. If you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.